All right, y'all. Let's talk about today's trades. Kind of recap it and go through everything I was thinking about. Today, I was bullish for the entire day. Just had bad price delivery, causing us to lose $800. So let's talk about how we was able to, going to recoup that throughout the week. But let's talk about how we're going to do this trade. So what happened was I took a trade at, I don't trade after 10:30. So I let all this go by. I was bullish the entire day. And I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good from an A+ sell from what I'm looking at. This was a 15-minute fair value gap that we popped into. Oil block, that was a 15-minute oil block right there, popped into that. And I honestly thought this was going to be the buy model right here. That was your low risk sell, low risk buy right there. Then we popped up, so I got into some positions like right here. Why does it keep doing that? I don't know why does it keep doing that. Oh, because I got that. Oh no, it's because I got that. I don't know, but got in some positions right here, and as we got up here, I put a little more on here, moving stop up to right there, and I closed that early, so it wasn't I didn't take the full loss on it. I closed out early when we start getting up and when we was in this range right here. I saw we start stacking up these lows right here, right? So I just closed trade in drawdown, took it out right there, and ultimately it would have took my stop losses anyways because I had below here. And as you can see, we literally just came up. Then this was your smart money reversal. So this is your smart reversal, low risk buy. Low risk buy. First stage distribution. Then we have second stage distribution, all that good stuff, and we're going up higher. Again, so basically, what this run was right here. I was wanting it or expecting it to happen right here. I just had this on here just to look at. This was a breaker that I had outlined. Again, I was wanting this support price. We just wanted to come back lower. Taking this one more time, this low is as well, and going back up after that. So that was the only thing about this. Again, a little more manipulation than I was expecting, especially after we already had this manipulation. And also ES did not agree with this. US 30 didn't agree with this either. So you literally was trading NAS all by itself, which is possible because in this case NAS was leading. But usually one of the pairs are agreeing with it. So this was a lot of different confluences not to take it. Other than the fact that we was in the macro and I still was positive or bullish for the day. But other than that, can't going to get too much out. It's nothing I didn't change, anything like that. Nothing's happening. When I see this strategy, I'm gonna take it. It's A+ setup. Like I said, just this delivery. Like even if I would got back in if this delivery it was just weird. A lot of delivery stacking up, moving, how we was creating counts, just nothing super clean. And then you step out on the 5-minute. This is what I was working with, right? I was looking at this in the 5-minute. I'm like, I don't have any order blocks. I don't have any fair value gaps. We're not bouncing. We got this fair value gap that we bouncing out of, right? And I'm expecting kind of like more of a clean delivery, but again, I'm not really mad about this. This is just really bad delivery. So that being said, then stay everybody calm. Everything's good. Like I said, we're just gonna take some more good selves, and that's all we can do, and that's what we're going to keep on improving on, and for sure. If you are trying to short all-time highs, I will recommend you please just let the chart tell you when you need short. Meaning, for me to short, I'm just going to keep aiming up higher because we're all-time highs. For me to short, we got to be in a 1-hour BISI, 15-minute BISI, something that's going to show me that we should be shorting in on higher time frame. And until that happens, I was just going to be looking for P rates for us to go up. Right, hourly. I think we dropped into hourly fair value gap. Did we? No, it wasn't hourly fair value. Oh, it was for hourly. So hourly fair value gap. And I told you about the 15-minute fair value gap was right there. So I was bullish on this entire time. It's just like I said, we just had a little bad delivery. So it's all good. So that's all I can recommend if you are trying to short all-time highs. Just go keep going up higher until we get a 15-minute or 1-hour BISI to kind of at least give us a reason for us to go lower. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. Don't want to talk too much long. But yeah. I'll see y'all in the next one.